In this video, we will do number 1 and number 2 on unit review handout. So let's see. Question number 1. You make small wreath and large wreath to sell at a craft fair. Small wreath sells for $8 and large wreath sells for $12. You sold 40 of those, okay, and made $400. How many of each type of wreath was sold? So let's go with the number of small wreath as a variable, what? S, okay. S stands for the number of small wreath. Okay, and the number of large wreath goes as L, okay, and I'd like to use cursive L to avoid the confusion with the number 1, okay? So this is the number of large wreath, okay? So let's set up an equation, and we should have 2 equations, right? Because we have 2 variables, at least we need to create 2 equations. So let's go with that we solve. Yeah, you solved 40 of them. So S and L together makes 40. That is one equation. And now let's think of our price, $400. How does we make $400? The price for small is $8, so 8S, that is the total from small red, right? Okay, and then what is the $12? Okay, $12 times L, the number, and price multiplied, that is the revenue you get. All together makes $400. That is the system of equation, right? Okay, define each variable. What does that mean? You need to define letter S, the number of a small wreath. L, the number of large. I try to skip it, but that is the one of the questions, so I need to finish it then. Right. Okay. All right. So I need to answer all of those, right? And then show work and write your solution as a sentence. So what would you like to do? Would you like to use an equation with the matrix? Yep, let's do that. So let's create the equation. Here, 1, 1, right? Invisible 1. So let's have coefficient matrix, 1, 1, 8, 12. What is the variable? Sn, L in order, and then column matrix is this. What method would you like to use to solve this matrix equation? Method 1 was Cramer's rule. Method 2, row reduction method. Method 3, by using inverse matrix, right? What is your favorite? And we can find the solution, right? So you show me the work. What would you like to do? Okay, your choice, and then you can give me an answer. So that will be the minimum work, right? Here, equation. Here, matrix equation. It's okay to use a calculator. You can define this as A, and this as B, and this as C on your calculator, and you are looking for B by taking inverse of the matrix A and C, and you can find the answer on the calculator, and you can give me just final solutions. Okay, and write your final solution as a sentence, and then you will say the number of a small wreath is blank, and the number of a large wreath is blank, so you can complete the answer. Make sense? Okay. Let me pause and let me wait until you finish the answer. All right, so we have 2020, and you need to write this as your sentence, okay? So the number of the small wreath is 20, and the number of the larger wreath is 20, right? So that's it. Next, Question number 2. Bob, George, and Fred go to Chinese restaurant for lunch and order 3 different lunch combination platters. Bob orders 2 portions of fried rice and 1 portion of chicken chow mein. Okay. George ordered 1 portion of fried rice, chicken. Okay, all right. Okay, a lot, right? So I need to use the matrix or equations. What would you like to start with? Let's find the system of equations. How many people? 3. So let's go one at a time. Bob ordered 2 portions. So let's talk about variables first. What would you like to use for the variable? Fried rice and chicken chow mein. Is that how I pronounce? Fried rice, chow mein, and sauteed broccoli. So anything else other than that? Sauteed broccoli and chicken chow mein. Okay, that's it, right? So let's go with the 3 letters. What are the 3 letters? Capital F stands for fried rice. Okay, fried rice. Portion of the fried rice, right? The number, portion, the number of a portion of ordered fried rice. And C stands for chicken chow mein. Okay, and B stands for the number of the portion ordered saute broccoli. B stands for broccoli. Did you use the letter S? B, broccoli? Okay, let's go with that. And what are we looking for? How much does each item cost? So I need to think about total sum, right? So let's go with some expression. How much Bob paid? 5. George here, Fred here. How much does each item cost? So we don't know each item price. So we need to do the similar way what we did above. So let's start with Bob. Bob ordered 2 portions of fried rice and 1 portion of chicken chow mein. And that's it, right? So let me go with nothing with broccoli here. And then he paid 5.25. And next one, Fred. Fred ordered, okay, where is it? 1 portion of sauteed broccoli. So let me go with in order. Did I skip somebody else? Yeah, I skipped George, didn't I? Okay, did I mess up? Yes, the first one was Bob, right? That was $5, right? Okay, next person, George. 1 portion of fried rice and 1 portion of chicken lo mein. Okay, and then 1 portion of broccoli. Okay, and he paid, that's George here, 5.25. Okay. And the third person, Fred, right? Fred ordered 1 portion of sauteed broccoli and 2 portions of chicken romaine. Okay, and anything else? That's it. So let me put 0 for the first variable. And then we have that equation. Can you check the equation before I move on to the matrix? Is that right? Okay, now let's have a matrix. Can I use my calculator for finding solutions right away by using RREF? What is RREF button? Row reduction echelon form, right? So I can put 2, 1, 0, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5.25, 0, 2, 1, 5.75. I wrote augmented matrix like this in math on the paper, but I typed whole thing on the calculator, right? 3 rows, 4 columns, and then use the name of the matrix A, and you can get answers right away, right? And then you can find the answer. All right, so by using your calculator, you will figure it out. 3 prices respectively like this. So we can have answers. Okay, if we are using this RREF button on the calculator, we are using row reduction method. So we are creating left-hand side as main diagonal 1, 1, 1, other entry will be 0, and you will see 3 answers in last column as this. Okay, so use calculator efficiently to find the answer.